Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to backtest on the Shara chart. Right now I have the gold USD chart open right here and we want to backtest this. So what we're gonna do now is we go to trade, and then right now we have three options here how to backtest. Now this is a simple bar-based backtest. We have here also a bar-based backtest with scan, and I recommend you to use the replay backtest. So we click on this, then we do yes. And then right now he's restarting our chart. And then right now here we can select what we want to use. So let's say we want all charts or charts with the same link number. Then we can also select here the replay mode. And then right here we can select the method that we want to use. Then right here do the speed, and then after that we do play, and then select the one that you want to use, and then you can start your backtest in Shara chart. So this is how you backtest in Shara chart. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.